What if Claude could not only write ideas and prompts, but actually generate videos, images, ads, and full faceless content workflows? With Higsfield MCP, this is now possible. Higsfield MCP connects Higsfield directly to Claude, OpenClaw, and Hermes. Claude becomes the brain that plans the workflow, and Higsfield becomes the hands that generate real media assets. So instead of switching between different tools, you can ask Claude to create the idea, write the prompts, generate visuals, create videos, and build a full AI content creation workflow from one place. In this video, I'll connect Higsfield MCP to Claude and use it to create original videos for this viral AI Shorts niche mysterious animals hiding secret robotic parts. Now we move to Claude AI. We're going to connect Higsfield to Claude so we can create content directly here. On the website, click your avatar in the bottom left corner. Choose Settings, then find the Connectors section. Here, click the blue Customize button, then find the plus icon at the top and click it. Choose the second option, Add Custom Connector. Now you need to enter the name and paste the Higsfield connection URL. You can find this connection data on the Higsfield MCP website, where there is a full guide and all the setup details. For the name, write Higsfield and paste the link from the guide. Leave everything else as it is, don't touch it, and click Add. After that, click the white Connect button, and it will redirect us to the Higsfield login page. Log in with the account you used to register on Higsfield. Here, confirm everything and click Allow. And now Higsfield is connected to Claude. One more important thing. On the right side, you can manage tool access. If you trust the connection and want the process to be faster, you can allow the tools you need. If you want to control every step manually, leave approval enabled before the tools are used. Everything is ready. Now we go back to the Claude chat and check if Higsfield MCP is connected. Click the plus icon, then Connectors, and here Higsfield should appear with a blue toggle. Great. Now we write our first prompt for the niche. First, we'll prepare the script, break the script into scenes, and for each scene, Claude will write prompts for us. After that, thanks to the connected Higsfield MCP, we'll generate images and animate them in the same chat. All prompts must be unique and not copied. Always write your own original prompts. Along with the request, send Claude images from videos in the niche we're making, so the AI can better understand what you need. Take a few main screenshots and send Claude a request to analyze the niche. Choose the best idea and create a script. Claude has analyzed the niche and selected the best ideas. Great. Choose the strongest idea based on your own preference. I chose a camel, so we'll create a video with a robotic camel. After that, we write the second request for creating scenes and prompts for them. Let me remind you that everything you create should be original. Don't copy other people's videos or exact scenes. Use the niche only as inspiration and always make your own version. Claude will write all the prompts for you and they will be original. Great. Claude has written the scenes and created the prompts for the images. The next step is image generation. We write a request. Use the Higsfield MCP connector already enabled in this chat and ask it to start generating the first image. Make sure to mention in the request that it should use Higsfield MCP and add your own corrections for the image. For example, no text, no extra objects, no logos, vertical format, and the style you need. As you can see, Higsfield MCP connected inside the chat and started processing the request. The image generation started directly inside the chat. Now we just wait until the generation is finished. The first image is ready. Great. The image looks high quality and works for me. Now we write the next request for the second image. The process is exactly the same. Don't forget to mention that it should use Higsfield MCP and generate the image based on the prompts that Claude wrote. We wait a little, and it's done. This is exactly what we need. Also, if you don't like an image, that's completely fine. Just tell Claude what exactly needs to be fixed. The camera angle, the character, the details, the style, extra objects, or the composition. It can regenerate the scene based on your corrections. Repeat the same steps until the final image. Now everything is ready, and I've generated all the images. The last step is animation. Hover over the image and click the green animation icon. The image will appear in the request, and then you need to write a prompt for the animation. Write what you want to see in the scene. For example, a person walking toward the camel, the panel opening, the camel starting to activate, or the character controlling it from the inside. So basically, it's not complicated. The generation runs through Seedance 2.0. So in the prompt, you can also write the animation duration, from 3 to 15 seconds. I'll use 5 or 10 seconds. That's enough. Now we wait while Higsfield MCP starts animating the image. The animation can take from 1 to 5 minutes, so you'll need to wait a bit. The first video is ready. It looks good and fits our scene. Now we animate the other images step by step until the final scene. Find the needed image in the chat, click the green icon, and write only the animation prompt in the request. Everything is ready now, and I've made all the animations. Don't forget to download them. The green download button will redirect you to the page. Then click the 3 dots and choose Download. Download all the animations to your computer. Congratulations! You've created a full video using Claude and Higgsfield MCP, all in one place. Now the only thing left is to connect all the animations in a video editor, and let's watch the final result. And here is the final result. We started with a niche idea. Then Claude analyzed the concept, created the scenes, wrote the prompts, generated images through Higsfield MCP, and then we animated those images with Seedance 2.0. So the full creative workflow was built from one place, Claude plus Higsfield MCP. And this is not only for this robotic camel idea. You can use the same workflow for faceless channels, AI shorts, product ads, cinematic stories, UGC-style creatives, and even full vibe marketing campaigns. The main idea is simple. Claude becomes the agent that plans the workflow, and Higsfield becomes the AI video generator that creates the actual media assets. So instead of switching between many different tools, you can build the idea, prompts, images, videos, and content structure in one connected workflow. And the same Higsfield MCP endpoint also works with OpenClaw and Hermes. But for this video, I used Claude because it is the easiest way to show the full workflow step by step. Also, Higsfield provides an official media kit with video assets and examples, so you can use it to understand the workflow, get inspiration, and see what kind of results are possible. Just remember, use examples only as inspiration and create your own original content. If you want to try this workflow yourself, the Higsfield MCP link is in the description. Connect it to Claude, choose your own niche, and start building original AI videos from one workflow. Subscribe to stay up to date with new trends. See you soon, everyone.